Welcome to Cornerstone Electric and Solar. We provide power built on a solid foundation. We offer full-scope electrical work, solar installation, and net metering services across Missouri and Arkansas. The industry standard often involves fragmented services with multiple vendors. At Cornerstone, we provide a master electrician foundation. We handle everything in-house, ensuring every job is signed off by a licensed master electrician in both Missouri and Arkansas. Our comprehensive services include electrical contracting for residential and commercial projects, solar installation, net metering to manage your grid interconnection, and full EPC projects where we engineer, procure, and construct your system. We help you generate your own power. We don't just put panels on roofs. We engineer grid-tied solar arrays specifically sized to your historical energy usage and manage the utility interconnection for a seamless experience. With our net metering service, you can earn billing credits during the day when generation exceeds your home usage, which then offsets your nighttime energy usage. We handle all the code and inspection approvals for you. Our EPC process stands for Engineer, Procure, and Construct. We provide system design anchored by a master electrician, source premium Tier 1 components, and perform in-house installation and final inspection, ensuring one accountable team for your project. We combine local expertise with regional power. With licensed master electricians in both Missouri and Arkansas, we are ready to serve your needs with professional, code-compliant workmanship. Are you ready to talk through your project? Get a quote on electrical, solar, or a full EPC build from a contractor who understands the entire system. Contact us via phone or email to get started.